How to visit Canada on business. If you want to visit Canada on business, you will need to understand what a business visitor is, what you can do as a business visitor, and what you will need to do and bring to enter Canada. On this page, what is a business visitor? How to use your business visitor, types of activities, what you need to enter Canada, what to bring with you to Canada. What is a business visitor? You are a business visitor if you come to take part in international business activities without being part of the Canadian labour market or visiting Canada temporarily to look for ways to grow your business, invest, advance your business relationship. Business visitors usually stay in Canada for a few days or a few weeks but are able to stay for up to 6 months. How to show you are a business visitor? To qualify as a business visitor to Canada, you must show that you plan to stay for less than 6 months. You don't plan to enter the Canadian labor market. Your main place for business and source of income and profit is outside Canada. You have documents that support your application. You meet Canada's basic entry requirement because you have a valid travel document such as a passport, have enough money for your stay and to return home, plan to leave Canada at the end of your visit, are not a criminal security or health risk to Canadians. Note: if you plan to stay for more than 6 months or plan to work in Canada, you may be considered a temporary work and have to apply for a work permit. Type of activities. Activity you may conduct as a business visitor include buying Canadian goods or services for a foreign business or government, taking orders for goods or services, going to meeting, conference and conversation on trade fairs, giving after sales services as a part of a warranty or sales agreement, being trained by Canadian parent company that you work for outside Canada, training employees of a Canadian branch of a foreign company, being trained by Canadian company that has sold you equipment or services. Under the Canada United States Mexico Agreement, a US or Mexican national may also take part in other activities such as research, marketing, and general services. For more information, see the Global Affairs Canada website. What you need to enter Canada. Starting September 7, 2021, if you qualify for the July vaccinated traveler exemption, you may be able to enter Canada. You will also need to meet all the entry requirements. You need a visitor visa and electronic travel authorization (ETA) or another valid travel document such as a valid US passport or green card. You may also need to provide your fingerprints and photo biometric if applying for a visitor visa. Find out if you need a visitor visa to travel to Canada. Business visitor and business people are not the same. Business people come to do work in Canada under a free trade agreement. What to bring with you to Canada. Make sure that you have the following documents when you arrive at the border. Don't pack them in your suitcase. A passport or travel document that is valid for your entire stay. A valid visitor visa if applicable. If you need an ETA, you must travel using the same passport you used in your application. Letter of sports from your parent company and a letter of invitation from the Canadian Post Business or a letter of recognition from the Canada Border Services Agency. Other documents such as warranty or service agreements or contracts if relevant to your visit. 24-hour contact detail of your business host in Canada. Proof that you have enough money for both your stay in Canada and your return home. Proof of COVID-19 vaccination. Submit your information to the ArriveCan app. You must use ArriveCan before checking in the airport or crossing the border to submit your travel and contact information, quarantine plan, COVID-19 symptom self-assessment. Bring your ArriveCan receipt, electronic or paper, with you to show the border service officer upon arrival.